cooking today, honeys. We're doing cookies for Santa. I open a bunch of presents. Bye.
Hello everyone and Merry Christmas. We are so excited that it is almost Christmas Day. And today the girls and I are going to be baking a bunch of cookies for Santa and having a lot of fun together, and then we'll open presents later once Caleb's home. This December has flown by, but it's been a really good one. Just a little highlight of what we've been up to. Addie lost her first tooth. Just lost her first tooth.
There it is.
No way.
She pulled it out herself.
Good job.
It's like, oh.
How's it feel?
Does it feel so weird?
Yeah, it feels weird.
It feels so weird.
You're just missing a tooth.
And then she learned how to ride a two-wheel bike. And then Harper turned 4. So we had a really fun big birthday party for her, which was great. And little Lainey took her first steps. Didn't you? Say hi. So it's been a great December so far. And like I said, today we are gonna do some cookies for Santa. Also, a really big deal, this is our first Christmas in our new house. Our new house is so cozy and it was so fun to decorate. So that's really exciting that we're here. We're so thankful for this house. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day. So we'll take you along for the Christmas fun. So bye-bye.
I'm so excited for another Christmas day. We have a bunch of Christmas, and I love Christmas. Bye.
Okay, Addie, go ahead and crack the egg. Harper, you can add the sugar into the mixing bowl.
This one?
Yep. Beautiful, Addie. Oh, perfect.
Mommy, there's sugar on the counter.
The yolk.
There's sugar on the counter.
Yeah,
No
little sugar.
worries, I can lick it off.
You can lick it off. You're always licking the sugar off the counter.
hands. Oh, I need you now, Mommy.
Oh wait,
I have to make this cookie cool. I'm gonna do that.
so we need 2 of these
Okay.
so Harper can do one.
And then I do the next.
Yep, and then we'll get a spoonful for Aggie.
Okay. How many do we need?
Just 2 of those. Then we'll need 3 cups of flour.
And then sprinkle that in. So, that's the only thing that we need. Is
So we did good?
Yeah.
It does look a little crumbly, but let's
Yeah.
let's get it off the mixer. Put that over there.
We're cooking today, honeys. Daddies. I want to feel it.
Okay, don't let it crumble everywhere. I wonder if it's supposed to be this crumbly.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll see.
Yeah.
It does pack together pretty good.
Yeah,
should be
it
okay.
does. It's no my tooth. I hope this works. Eee. This is my matching tooth. No my tooth.
Our first dough was a little too crumbly, so we added, what did we add?
Eggs, dough, and sugar. So we're gonna have a good day.
And now this dough seems to be a lot better. So.
And we need to make milk for him too.
Oh yeah, Santa needs milk with his cookies for sure.
Okay, we're gonna have fun.
Here we
I
go.
hope you guys have fun too, but we're gonna try to start again. Maya.
Okay, this looks much better.
Let's get it out. Now we can get my dough in place. Can we?
Oh, that's much, much, much better. Addie, look at this. Much better.
Yeah, way more better.
Okay, now we can definitely make the cookies. Woo! We thought we were having a failure, huh? Here we go.
It's nothing like slime.
Can you hand me the cookie roller back there? Please, roller.
Oh yes. I can roll it.
Is it really hard?
Yes. It's a little hard for me, but it's not too hard because it's like extra sticky now. Is there more in there for me to get at? A little bit more in there. That's much more.
Yeah, this is a much better cookie dough.
Much more perfect. It's fun squishing
It is. We got to squish it all out.
for Santa to come. He will love my tiny bear I decorated.
Are you decorating a bear for him?
Yes. But the bear one is kind of for like kids, but that's okay. Santa will love my bear one.
Santa's gonna love it.
Yeah, because he loves cookies.
Yep.
I love cookies too.
He'll be happy with whatever cookies.
Look at it. We still have room. We need cookie cutters. Can't forget a star.
Okay, we started the decorating process. We got a pink star,
And a black bear.
a black bear.
Wait,
They're looking good. How's it going, Harpy?
Good.
You want to come show everyone your cookies over here?
Yes. These are cookies we did so far. We got a star one, a bear one, and everything else. We like our new house, and we know that we like cookies. Bye.
Hi.
No. Ready to open?
We're not opening yet, but you can make piles of your presents.
I'm
She
trying to
loves,
look.
she loves it.
Does she love it?
Is there any more?
She's ready to open this one. You ready?
This is me again.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm
So guys,
What is it, Lene?
hold on. Open the boxes that look the same. So
Wow.
like Harper.
Good job. Okay.
Okay, let's see it. Yeah. Just throw the paper over there. Yeah. You guys like those?
Good. She's pretty, isn't she?
Yep. Okay, Eddie, I'll put your little.
Oh, I'm so glad you love it, Addie.
What is it?
Oh gosh, Lainey, what did you get him, Lainey?
What is it? What is it? What is that?
Open the box.
Oh! Twins!
Those are from Lainey.
Whoa! Wait, what is this? It's like a dress sweatshirt. Oh my gosh. Okay. Harper, can you believe we're opening these? Yeah.
Yummy!
Those are for you to wear tonight when Santa
For
comes.
How's this? I want to open this.
Okay, that's from Addie too, I think.
What is it?
Oh my gosh. The stuffy!
So cute.
Say thank you, Addie.
Wait, is there any more?
I think that was all yours. And then I think Addie's got hers.
Are you so happy, Addie?
What do you guys think?
Good. Let's get our Spidey out. Get our Spidey out? Yeah, this Spidey.
Here, I'll get scissors.
Look, wait.
Lainey, look.
Lady, open your toy. Look, her Spider-Man got white web. Yeah, perfect. Does it go in his shooting hand? You see how he has that? All right, lady, look. Look. Open it up.
Rainbow! Oh, yeah!
Oh, she loves it.
Perfect. She'll like this on the back.
Okay.
Oh.
Look, Mike.
Harper, you have twin Spideys. Harper has two of the
Oh,
exact
she
same
loves
Spidey.
it.
But these ones are the best. Here.
Oh, Addie, look.
Oh,
On his hand.
that's so sweet. Now you all have sweet little cuddlies, huh?
I'm gonna open the
I
slime
think it goes
girl.
way up on
Okay, let's do it.
Slime girl.
Good job. Are you so
I'm
excited?
gonna open it from the slime ball.
Like this.
I like it. Oh yeah, I did. Look at her legs.
Do you like your Spidey toys, Addie?
They all have the
Here,
same
Harper.
webs.
They do.
Open this.
Yeah, it can.
Lainey, Santa came. Look at, wow, look at all these presents. Presents, yeah. Oh, uh-oh. It's okay. Lainey, when your sissies wake up, we can open all these presents. Look at them. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of presents. That's a lot of presents. Are you excited? Are you so excited? Presents. It's Christmas morning. We're waiting for her sisters to wake up. So we're just hanging out until they wake up. Huh? Yeah. Are you excited because Santa came? Look. Are you so excited? I can't wait. Part of me wants to go wake him up, but I also think that might not be a good idea.
I want to see the present.
I want to see your seeing.
Is it what?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, this is wrapping paper.
Yeah.
Never know which one. What is this?
Hold on, they have your guys' names on them, okay?
That's Finley. This is Finley's. And this is her. Look at it. Makeup!
You have me.
I knew that Santa want me in makeup. Wait!
Wow, Lainey, look.
What is this?
Oh.
This mine?
Another
This
box.
mine?
Check the, yep, it says Harper.
Mine.
Lainey, that's so cool.
Wow.
Oh, she's so
Oh my
happy.
gosh!
Wow.
Oh.
And it's on a hairdryer.
Addie, what'd you get? What'd you get?
Hey, Daddy, Daddy.
Ooh, a bird.
What is it? Is it a merm?
Does it say me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. So exciting.
A puppy.
What
Oh
the
my.
heck? What is that?
It's a
Uno attack.
dinosaur Uno.
I didn't see Santa outside and I was like, oh no, there's no race. And I came down here and it was finally presents.
There is presents, you're right.
Does that say your name? I think it does.
Wow.
Is that H? Yep.
Wow.
Daddy, look, look.
Gorgeous.
Got LOL. This is the best Christmas.
Good job. I'm so happy it's the best Christmas ever.
Yeah.
She said it's the best Christmas
Another
ever.
Another lipstick.
Got a lipstick.
Ooh. What is it?
Daddy's dollhouse. Which is super cute.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Super Kitties one? I don't think I've ever seen one like that.
Yeah, I did. Santa got us everything.
This is amazing. What is...
Annie Itty.
Okay, keep opening your stuff.
Let's see what in there is, because I never know what's another stuff.
Yeah?
Bluey! Woo! Daddy, I got Bluey!
Woohoo!
Daddy, I got Pepper.
Ooh, a Spidey art kit? That's awesome. Nice.
This.
Look, Lane Lane. You want to open more presents?
Open our
That says-
tiny-
There we go. I can do this.
Open our
Huh?
tiny-
Very nice.
Put it right here.
above that?
Oh, this is mine.
Does it say Harper? Yep, it says Harper. You got boots.
Just like Daddy.
Yeah. Oh my word, Addie. That's one of those rainbow, the watercolor ones.
Harper, what?
What does that mean?
You can like color her hair and her clothes with those watercolors.
I'm gonna do this for her.
Do it.
Uh-oh. It's a water thing.
More slimy.
A more slime one? No way.
And it's this one.
Oh, nice.
This one me.
Yep, that says Harper.
She loves it. Another doll. A makeup doll. Makeup.
Yep, that says Harper.
What is that? Give it to me. I didn't
Yeah,
know.
open the box. Let's see what it is.
Daddy, let's see what this is. Daddy! Addie!
Whoa.
Look! I got to say it's safe.
Nice.
That is awesome.
Wow! So many presents! Oh no!
Let's see what it is. Look, Lane. You want to keep it?
Look!
Hey, Harper. Check under the tree. Does that one say Harper?
She's
going all the way under.
Does it say H?
Yep.
Yep.
Is she beautiful?
Yeah.
Yes!
Whoa, you slipped.
Nice, Addie. Wow.
What is that?
What is it?
Hello Kitty!
And he said another
A
thing.
Hello Kitty?
Another Slimer thing?
Addie! It's a backpack!
Look, she got another slime rainbow high too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Good job.
I got this.
Lady.
Lady's dancing about a toothbrush.
Scream.
Look, you want... Oh, you so happy?
Okay, this is my last one.
Addie, the
Okay,
last one.
let's see.
Harper, are you all done? Addie?
Oh, my.
Addie, look which one that is.
It's the scary guy.
It's the bulbous head.
That's what you wanted, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What do you think about it, Addie?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, just
You think it's cool?
I opened it. Here,
Wow.
this way.
Oh.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
Harper, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
What
Christmas.
is this?
Merry Christmas, Addie.
And Merry Christmas, JJ.
Addie.
She's
Addie,
too
look.
excited about
Yeah.
her
Daddy.
toy. Merry Christmas, Lane.
Oh my.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my. This crumbs.
A lot of crumbs. Holy cow.
He must was hungry.
Look, killed it.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
Look, killed it.
He's probably was like so thirsty and hungry.
He must have
think so.
loved your guys' cookies, too.
He's